Slangs in Nyanja. Let's go. Number one is wala. Wala means nothing. For example, someone comes up to you and asks you, boy, ulina ndalama. Ndalama is money. So when they say ulina ndalama, they're asking if you have money. In response, you just say, wala boy, nilibe, meaning nothing, my friend. I don't have all. You just say wala. Number two is squale. Squale means running away. For example, Mugai anacha squale, meaning the guy who ran away. Number three is oyo or woyo. This means fake or also means sometimes something that is not good. For example, if I say, Mugai woyo, that means, that guy is fake. Or someone is telling me a story and they say, story on woyo. That means that story is not good, or that story is fake, or that story is bad.